In this tutorial, we are going to be looking into text alignment and wrap text. What I have here is a table where I have the days of the week and I track the time that my employee arrived, the time that he left, and the overtime worked. It's looking okay, but I think it could look better. So the first thing that I want to do here, I want to be able to read these parts that I can't read. For example, in cell E1 and F1. One thing that I can do is if I come here to the top left and I click on this cell here, I select everything. So the first thing that I could do, for example, select all of the cells. I come to any of them. So in this case, I'm on column F, and I'm just gonna drag a little bit, in this case less than a centimeter. And what's going to happen is that not only column F is going to become bigger, but this is going to apply to all of the columns that are selected. So as I let it go, you see the columns have expanded. It's okay, but it's not quite what I wanted. I wanted to be able to read everything that is in cells E1 and F1. So what I could do here is wrap text. So again, let me select everything. And by selecting everything, I'm going to apply the formatting to all of the cells. So I've selected everything and I'm going to come up here to text wrapping. I'm going to click on it and I have three options. The option in the middle is what is called wrap text. So I click on it and as you see, the cells get wrapped. Now for what I need, this is much better because now I can read all of the text. Sometimes if you have too much text in a cell, that's not exactly what you need because then it becomes impossible to read. So in this case, you can use the other options. Again, I'm coming back here to text wrapping, which are overflow. So let me click on overflow. That's what I had initially. You see the text overflows the cell where they are. Or selecting everything again, coming back to wrapping, text wrapping. We can clip. If we clip, we are only going to be able to see what's on a single cell. So let me clip, and you see the text still there, but you're just not able to see it immediately. You have to come to double click to the cell to be able to see the text. Okay, I'm going to select everything again, and I'm going to wrap the text because for my use case here, wrapping the text was the best option. Text is wrapped. I can play a little bit more around with the column width. I still think it could be a little bit larger, so again, clicking on one, dragging, gets applied to all of them. I'm happy with this, but I think that column A doesn't need to be this large, so I'm going to click out to remove the selection, and I'm going to reduce only the size of column A. And now I'm happy. I just want to play a little around with text alignment. So the way my text is aligned here is that everything that is text is aligned to the left and everything that is number is to the right. This is default in spreadsheets. I think that everything that is in row 1 would be better if it was centered. So I came here and I'm gonna center the text. Okay. I could, if I wanted, select my numbers and center them to the left. Although I don't recommend that. I don't recommend doing that, but you could as well do it. If you think it doesn't look good, that for example here I have my text aligned to the left and the numbers are aligned to the right. So you could just select them, come here to text alignment and align the numbers to the left as well. I don't like it. Maybe I could select everything, align everything to the right. And last thing, let's also align the days of the week. So I just selected the days of the week and let's align them. Let's center them. Yeah, that's it. I'm much happier now with the way my table is formatted.